Hi, in this lesson, I teach you how to parse data into multiple sheets. This is an example. And first of all, go to my link and download this practice workbook. I also paste this link on my video description easily to download this file. Okay, this is a download. Show in the folder. First of all, go to property and unblock it. Just open it. Enable the content. See here, we have a three departments and three accounts here, and in this data, joining dates, at time, first name, last name, phone, accounts types, and here add any descriptions. Okay. See here, when you click the department of cells, you will show the three departments in here. The same sheets in here. Okay. I delete the previous data and go to the data. When I click any department, see the row is cut and paste to relative department. In your case, you have a another field of the data, like you have a 20 departments or other type of the data. You do like that. You easily click any cells, it's moved to the relative sheets. Okay, we understand the codes. See here, this is a codes. You are easily copy and paste to your entire workbook. This is a code explanation. First of all, this is a private sub worksheet change. Okay, we go to the developer tab. This is click the Visual Basic. The short key is Alt F11. When you click the Alt F11, you are come on this VBA windows. See here, first of all, I change the worksheets. So I example, first of all, click here worksheets and selection change to click the change and remove this first line. Okay, and inside the paste all code. See here, first of all, we declare the variables a as long, in your case maybe I, and if target column equal to 8, then we go to the Excel. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The 8 column is department. You want to have another data, you change also the column number. Okay, here we add a loop for I equal to 5 to me dot cells count comma 1 dot and xlab dot top. That's mean this loop start row 5. See here, we have a data on row 5 and it's end xlab row. This is an end for row. For example, my mouse cursor is here and I press control and up button. See here, this is a last row defined by VBA. Next, we add a if condition the add for administrator department. If cells I means the row 5 and column H dot value equal to administrator, then it's row dot copy and front row is a copy and sheets administrator dot cells dot row dot count comma 1 dot and xlab offset 1 comma 0 paste special, the paste value only. Paste special, the paste value only means when you copy any cell in paste here. See here, it's included the format, but when you copy it and right click on mouse and this is a paste special and the value section, see here, its value come only without any your format. Okay. The current row here, current row is a copy to this sheets of last row and here the current row is deleted. Okay, the first of if condition is complete, then we add else if. Another condition of IT department. The same code in the administrator department and the same code in the IT department and same code of another HR department, Human Resources Department. Uh, when the code is closed, And if means if the user does not expect to any other additional statement, that if statement is complete by an and if. The running the I loop for specific number of item when it will be closed, and the next loop run from start to end. For example, first loop is run from 5, and when you go come to the next I, it will be run to 6 to until your data not finish. And again I add the end if because we use two if conditions in here. First I declare the column number, second if condition is the department. We use two and if. First inside in bottom in loop, and second one is above of the loop, and close and sub. You close your second if condition and exit sub producer. Thank you for watching.